To set reminder in Oppo A80 5G, first of all, you will have to open app drawer and you will have to search for Google Calendar, which is located here. So tap on it once. Then when you open it, you will have to accept every permission. And then you will have to click on the right bottom corner on the plus. Then let's say that we want to add event. Now as you can see at the top, we can add the title of our reminder. Below we can choose for which Google account we want to get it. Right here we can set if we want to turn it on for all day, or for example for specific time from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Of course we can change date and we can change time if we want to do this by clicking on this data. We can change the time zone, we can set repeat for this reminder if we want, even the custom one, so for example every Thursday. Below we can add people, we can add location, we can add reminder like 30 minutes before, but you can click here and you can add this like 1 hour before, 1 day before, 10 minutes before. Below we can even change the color of this reminder in your calendar. You can even add description and add attachment. Then you can click save in the right upper corner, and as you can see right now we got our reminder here. If you want to turn it off, you have to tap on it, click here and then select delete. That's all for this video. Right now please subscribe.